Bucked, pulsed, panicked. Jody, get the net. Jody, get everything. It's this guy again. The same guy as last time. He's huge though. Hold on. This is gonna be, guys, you just got clickbaited. Oh, there it is. Clickbait. Suck it. Good morning, everybody. It's the second day in a row. I don't know if this video here is ever going to make it to the light of day. I tell you what, yesterday was the single hardest day of fishing I've had in a long time. We brought a couple people out. You saw them, maybe saw them on the video. We were almost right, almost perfect, but just couldn't get it done. Hadn't had a day like that in a long time. But the nice thing about fishing is it's the next day. We're gonna start over from scratch. It's beautiful out today. Got a beautiful boat behind us. Got a beautiful sunrise coming up. For a few hours it's gonna be flat, calm, and gorgeous. And we're gonna keep it light and easy. Oh yeah, it's a nice fluke right over there. Nice. Nice. Good fish, bud. What color?
That yellow up top on the teaser. Let go of my line. Hey, this is what we came for, folks. Fluke day.
Graceful. Really graceful. Hey.
Woohoo! He's in the boat.
Hey. It's like 14, 12. Yeah. I'm a little fishy. Oh, hello, I'm a fish. I'd like to go swimming. You want to go swimming? Okay, here we go. You ready? Let's try to put you away, and that isn't a crazy way. You good yet? Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Seabird. That's what he called that one. That one's a seabird.
I know my fish.
Seabird. So I'm sitting in Nyanek Bay. Me, Jody, real sweet crew. Nyanek Bay. Right there. Fucking Hockless shows up from Greenport. Dude, go to Green. We were at Greenport yesterday fishing next to you. You know what? I'll put a clip of that video. Here we are 1 mile from Marina. Jig and Jerk shows up. Tells me two things. One, he's following us. Just seems like really uncool dude, seriously. And two, we're in the right place. Oh, look, and he's setting up right on top of us. That bastard. Not really. You guys are seeing this, right? I mean, you're seeing what the guy on the two people in the boat, he's the one with the less coordination, yet he's standing on the back of the boat. Granted, we're in like no-foot seas. Are you staying up there? You're a whack job. Yeah.
So, how do you know the guy you fish with is a potato?
Would you like your rod back that I just picked up? Here you go.